Hello ladies! Welcome back to the Big Sweep. I'm Kelly, and in today's video, we're going to share some fantastic tips on how to keep your house guest ready with simple daily chores. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. It really supports us in bringing you more content like this. Have you ever been caught off guard by unexpected guests? Have you ever been embarrassed by the state of your home? Then this video is for you. Let's dive into making your home a welcoming haven for guests. It all starts with your morning routine. A clean and welcoming home begins with a tidy start to your day. First things first, your bed. As soon as I get up, I fold down the covers to allow the bed to cool off and dry. Dust mites just love a warm, damp environment. After showering, I tackle the bathroom. Squeegee the glass shower doors and wipe the shower walls with a cloth. This will dry the walls, plus keep soap scum and water spots to a minimum between weekly cleanings. A quick wipe down of the sink, counter, and a once-over of the toilet with some cleaner will ensure your bathroom is fresh and presentable. A clean bathroom is a must for guests. Then back to the bedroom, where it's time to make the bed. This instantly adds a touch of order and calm to your bedroom. A well-made bed sets the tone for the whole day. The kitchen can be a hub of activity and often the heart of your home. To keep it guest-ready, start by loading or unloading the dishwasher. An empty sink is inviting and ready for action. A clean and empty sink sets a great impression. Don't forget to wipe down the kitchen counters and stove. It keeps your kitchen looking spick and span. A clean kitchen is an open invitation to share meals and memories. Now, let's jump to the evening. After dinner, don't leave the dishes for later. Wash them or load them into the dishwasher right away. Do a quick wipe down of the counters and stove top. Wipe any fingerprints from the fridge, microwave, and other appliances. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Before you hit the hay, do a quick sweep or vacuum of the main living areas. It's a small effort, but it ensures your home looks its best at any time of day. Your home will always be ready for guests. One final tip to maintain a guest-ready home is to set aside 15 minutes daily for decluttering. Tackle mail, put away items that are out of place, and maintain an orderly environment. Just 15 minutes can prevent clutter from taking over. And that's how you keep your house guest ready with simple daily chores. What are your go-to strategies for getting your home ready for guests? Share them in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Click here to see a video on how to make eco-friendly cleaners. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you in the next video.